आजादी जन जन है जिसका आभारी, ये तो है हमारे प्यारे बापू जी। With this, a very fresh and fine morning to one and all present over here, Honorable Principal Sir, worthy teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. I am Sona Mohanty of Class 9 is here to deliver a speech on Martyrs' Day. Today, we have gathered here to commemorate the occasion of Martyrs' Day of our beloved Bapuji and our brave soldiers. This day is celebrated every year on 30th January in India to pay homage to our brave souls who sacrificed their lives while fighting for our country's freedom. This day also marks the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. In this year, 2025, it is the 77th year since his assassination. The date 30th January marks the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi in 1948. On this solemn day, the nation remembers not only this iconic leader but also the countless other brave soldiers who laid down their lives during the struggle against British colonial rule and for the larger cause of justice, equality and human rights. The observance of Martyrs' Day serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by these individuals, inspiring generations to uphold the significance and values of freedom, peace, truth and unity. As we know, Gandhiji was assassinated on this day in 1948 by Nathuram Godse, and his death was followed by epic public outpourings of grief. The selfless acts of our brave soldiers, freedom fighters, driven by an unwavering belief in justice and equality form the bedrock of our nation's identity. Every martyr, from the battlefield to the streets, played a crucial role in shaping the India we cherish today. True, here are some sayings of Mahatma Gandhi. True ahimsa should wear a smile even on deathbed brought by an assailant. It is only with that ahimsa that we can defeat our opponent and win their love. Death is at any time blessed, but twice blessed for a warrior who dies for his cause, that is true. At last, I would like to conclude my speech by saying this. इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को हमेशा अपने दिल में बचाए रखना, अपने दिल में बचाए रखना। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ वंडरफुल डे अहेड।
स्मृति को याद रखने के लिए भारत सरकार ने इस दिन को शहीद दिवस घोषित किया। तो चलिए आज जानते हैं हम गांधी जी के जीवन और दर्शन के बारे में।
मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, जिन्हें हम बापू के नाम से जानते हैं, उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 गुजरात के पोरबंदर में हुआ था। उन्होंने अपनी वकालत की पढ़ाई विदेश में खत्म किए और 1915 में वे भारत आए। और देखिए, अंग्रेजों के क्रूर शासन के अंदर भारतवासियों को बहुत सारे कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। इंग्लैंड में वकालत की डिग्री हासिल करने के बावजूद वो सब कुछ छोड़कर देश की आज़ादी के लिए अपना सब कुछ त्याग कर दिए।
एक दिन 30 जनवरी 1948 के दिन शाम को 5:15 पर गांधी जी प्रार्थना के लिए बिरला हाउस की तरफ जा रहे थे। तभी नाथुराम गोडसे जी आए और उनके सामने खड़े हो गए।
तभी 5:17 पर नाथुराम गोडसे जी ने गांधी जी को 3 गोलियों से वार किया, जिसमें से 2 गोलियां उनके सीने से आर पार हो गई और 1 गोली उनके सीने में ही अटक गई, जिसके कारण उसी समय ही उनका देहांत हो गया और मृत्यु के आखिरी समय में उनका अंतिम शब्द था हे राम। नाथुराम गोडसे जी ने खुद को गोली मारने की बहुत कोशिश की, लेकिन उन्होंने were to live forever. With this, good morning to all present over here. I am Supriya Mishra of class 9 going to speak about Martyrs' Day. Martyrs' Day is commemorated on January 30 to mark the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, and he died in 30th January 1948. Martyrs' Day or Shahid Divas is also commemorated on March 22 to remember the sacrifice of 3 revolutionaries of India, Bhagat Singh, Shivaram Rajguru, Sukhdev Thapar. Every year this day is observed to pay homage to the unsung heroes of our nation and the freedom fighters who laid their lives for independent, sovereign and liberal India. Gandhiji was assassinated on 30 January 1948 by Nathuram Godse, and his death was followed by epic public outpourings of grief. Every year this day is observed to remember Mahatma Gandhi's contribution and his sacrifices to India during freedom struggle. He was prominent political and spiritual leader of the Indian independence movement. He also received international fame for his non-violent protest theories to achieve political and social progress. Mahatma Gandhi is not only a name but a symbol of peace and non-violence in the whole world. At last, I want to conclude my speech by saying this. They can torture and induce pain, they can cut my body and put me to death, but they can never compel enough to be disobedient. Salute to your great martyrs. Thank you very much.